Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to cancel your Grammarly subscription. To cancel your Grammarly subscription, follow these steps. First, open a preferred web browser and head over to Grammarly. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, on the left hand side of your screen, you can see Account section. In the account settings, navigate to the subscription tab here. You will see the current subscription plan if you have already subscribed. Now scroll down until you see cancel subscription at the bottom of the page. After clicking on that, follow any prompts to confirm the cancellation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation email regarding your cancellation. Keep this for your record. Keep in mind that you cannot cancel the subscription from a mobile application. Also make sure that cancelling your subscription will prevent future billing, but you will still have access to premium feature until the end of your current billing cycle. If you decide to reactivate your subscription later, you can do so by logging back into your account and selecting a plan. If you are looking for a refund, check Grammarly's refund policy as it may vary depending on when you cancel. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your Grammarly subscription. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Grammarly customer support for assistance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.